Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I miss saying this so much. Okay, so I'm back and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all a top 10 fave products that every girl must own from Zivame. So Zivame is having their 10-year anniversary sale from 4th of August and they're having awesome offers like up to 60% off, free shipping. They also have cash on delivery available with 15-day easy return or exchange, and you can get additional 10% off if you use my code NidhiZivame. So let's start with my favorite product. Fave number 1, which is this comfortable nightwear shorts set from Zivame. I love this so much. I've used this a lot, so you can see that the material did not get spoiled at all. The material is as it is pure cotton. It is super soft to touch. I am the size small in it, and that is how the graphic is on the nightwear t-shirt, and it is very soft. And with this you get these gorgeous purple colored striped shorts which look so cute. You can see you also get this kind of a ruffle detailing right at the bottom of the short. What I love the most about these shorts is the length. It is just like your hot shorts length, so it looks super cute on, and I love the cupcake print on it. Totally would recommend it 100%. You would love it. Fave number 2 is another night dress that I love. I love this one so much. Firstly, this nude pink color plus the print on it is so quirky. It has these short sleeves. The material is rich cotton, extremely soft. It also has pockets and the length would just hit around your knees. This particular piece is super comfortable. You would get the most beautiful dreams with this comfortable dress on for sure. I would highly recommend you all to try out Zivame's night dresses. I really love the fabric and the quality, and this I'm showing you post. I don't even know how many washes because I've used it so much. Moving on to the lingerie category, and I feel like Zivame makes the most comfortable lingerie, especially their bras are super comfortable. I've tried so many brands, but you know, they were not comfortable. They poke, they even stab your chest, and you might be knowing if you've been through the same phase. But since the day I've tried Zivame bras, I have never seen back, and so I would highly recommend you all to try Zivame bras once. You would fall in love, like true love. So first bra is this. Firstly, the color is super gorgeous. It is this purple dove colored bra. I love the fabric. The fabric is super soft. If you love comfortable bras, you would love this because of the fabric quality. Plus this is non-wired. It is lightly padded, and also it has no seams anywhere. So in this way it makes the perfect bra to try under any of your dresses, tight fitting tops, be it kurtis or your blouses. This is the perfect one to go for, and plus when they are wire free, you got the freedom to do anything. So I love this bra. So that was my third favorite. Moving on to fave number 4, which is this gorgeous black low cut bra. Now this bra is such an essential. Just look at the back band. It is given very low with a thin strap which gives you freedom to wear a bra underneath anything which is having a deep necks at the back, or you know, if you're wearing something which is a low neck backless, you can have this bra on at that time because the cut is really low and you got that freedom to rock any kind of backless dresses with this kind of bra. It is lightly padded and it is wire free. Like, what else do you need in life? Plus it's black. So that comes in my fave list for sure. Fave number 5 are these kind of stick-on bra tapes. I love these because these are super versatile. You can wear this with anything that is backless or anything which is having low necks, or you know, you want to just flaunt your cleavage. You can wear these kind of bras and you got the freedom to do that. These are super handy and easy to store, easy to carry. All you need to do is to remove this plastic, place it on your bra and then push it up and then stick the topmost part. In this way you would also get a nice push up, a lift, and these would not let your nipples peek through, so you're safe from that embarrassing moment. I love these, and these were super affordable on Zivame, so you should definitely check out these stick-on tapes from Zivame. Moving on to fave number 6, I'm having this little trendy kind of piece. This is a bra which is having glitter straps, so it just adds up to your outfit. It looks very beautiful. Again, it is a t-shirt bra, wireless, lightly padded, and it would also act as a seamless bra because of the material. It is super soft, and this is that quick dry material, so you can use this anytime, anywhere, wash it, and it would dry super soon. And that's why I love to travel with these kind of bras. I love this bra so much. I already own the black one with the black straps, and I've used it so much that I wanted a nude one too, because if you have a black and a nude, you're just sorted in life, right? So I got this nude one. The glitter straps look so good. Even if they're peeking out of your top, nobody would say that it's a bra because it just looks so good. Favorite number 7 is this gorgeous lavender colored bra. Look at the color first. I would just buy it for its color. It is so cute. I love lavenders, and it is having this darker colored lavender bands with lighter pads. Love this material to be true. It is super comfortable and stretchy. As you can see, the quality is really good of Zivame bras, as I've raved before as well. Plus this would offer you 3/4 coverage, so that's an all-rounder, right? I would highly recommend it. Just try it for once. You would love it, and this would be definitely your everyday kind of bra. About everyday bra and sticking to the essential bra category, how can we forget a nude bra? Your lingerie collection is incomplete without a nude and a black bra, is what I feel. So I would highly recommend you all to try out these kind of nude bras that Zivame has. Now, as you can see, again, this is wire free, lightly padded, a t-shirt bra, and the material is super soft and seamless finish. Plus it is very stretchable, and that kind of material that is gonna dry very quickly, and I love these kind of dry fit bras to be true. This is gonna make your wardrobe complete, so again, a must have and my fave number 9, which is such an all-rounder. So I'm talking about this bra from Zivame. Firstly, as you can see, it has transparent shoulder straps, and when you move it around, you can see it also has transparent back straps. So basically, this is something which you can wear underneath cold shoulder tops. You can also wear it under backless tops or backless dresses, or under blouses, under kurtis. You can flaunt any kind of dress with these kind of versatile straps, and I own already a black of the same, and this time I ordered a nude one. I love the fact that they have detachable straps so that you can choose what kind of look do you want at that time. And I love something which is having transparent straps, so if you do not want to wear a strapless bra, you can definitely rock these bras, and I would highly suggest you all to try this once. You would love it. It is so good for low cut outfits because of the invisible straps. You would love it. And lastly, talking about my fave number 10, which is such an essential, especially if you love wearing dresses. I'm talking about this seamless thigh and body shapewear from Zivame. This is so good. I so love it. So basically, as you can see, it is very stretchable and would give you medium compression. It goes up to your tummy and till your thighs, so it is perfect to wear underneath your dresses, underneath bodycon dresses, shirt shift dresses. This is such an essential. Like, you do not need to wear separate boy shorts underneath your dresses if you have this. Also, it has seamless 4-way stretch fabric, which makes it super comfortable on. Otherwise, there are some shapewears in the market which are like suffocating to your last breath. It is so bad, but this particular one is seamless. It would not peek through, plus it would give you that natural shape to your body. I love it. That's all I can say about it. You should definitely try out these shapewears from Zivame. These were my top 10 favorites from Zivame. Let me know which one was yours. Don't forget to check out Zivame's 10-year anniversary sale starting from 4th of August. They're having offers up to 60% off, free shipping, cash on delivery is available, along with 15-day easy exchange or return policy. Plus, you can get additional 10% off if you use my code NidhiZivame. I would have all of the product links mentioned in the description box. You can also download the Zivame app. I would have it linked in the description as as well. So yes, what's the wait? Go get yours super soon, and I shall meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.